Imagine waking up feeling more energized than ever before, your skin glowing, your digestion working like clockwork, and your body shedding extra weight effortlessly. Sounds too good to be true? What if I told you that simply switching to an all-fruit diet for 2 weeks could bring about these incredible changes? But before you get too excited, you need to know this diet isn't just sunshine and rainbows. While fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they also come with some surprising effects on your body, both good and bad. So, should you try it? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what happens inside your body when you eat only fruits for 2 weeks. The first 24 hours, a shock to your system. From the moment you take your first bite of fruit on this diet, your body begins to react. Unlike a traditional diet that includes protein, fats, and fiber from multiple sources, a fruit-only diet provides primarily carbohydrates and natural sugars. Your digestive system quickly adjusts to this sudden influx of fructose, the natural sugar found in fruits. Your blood sugar levels spike almost immediately, giving you a quick burst of energy. This is because fruits contain simple carbohydrates, which your body digests quickly, converting them into glucose to fuel your cells. You may feel more alert, refreshed, and even slightly euphoric. However, if you're used to eating a diet rich in protein and fats, your body might be confused by the absence of those essential macronutrients. Some people experience mild headaches, slight dizziness, or even mood swings as their system adapts to the sudden change. At the same time, your digestive system is working overtime to process all the fiber from the fruits you're consuming. Unlike processed foods that slow down digestion, fruit speeds everything up. By the end of the first day, you might notice that you're visiting the bathroom more often than usual. This is a sign that your digestive system is already starting to cleanse itself. But here's where it gets interesting: what happens when your body realizes it's getting no protein, fats, or other essential nutrients? Will your muscles start to break down? Will you lose energy? The answer might surprise you. Day 3-5, Detox Mode activated. By the third day, your body enters full detox mode. Fruits are naturally packed with water, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which help flush out toxins. Your kidneys and liver start working more efficiently to remove waste, and you may notice clearer skin, fewer breakouts, and an overall sense of lightness. One of the most noticeable changes is in your digestion. Many people who switch to a fruit-only diet experience significant improvements in gut health. If you've ever struggled with bloating, constipation, or indigestion, those issues may start to fade. Fruits like papaya, pineapple, and kiwi contain natural digestive enzymes that help break down food more efficiently, making digestion smoother and faster. But while your digestion may feel better, your body is also starting to crave other nutrients. Since fruits are low in protein and fats, your muscles might feel weaker. Your body is looking for amino acids to repair tissues, and because it's not getting them from your diet, it may start breaking down muscle mass. You might feel a little weaker in your workouts, or you may notice that simple activities like climbing stairs feel more tiring than usual. Your energy levels may also fluctuate. The rapid digestion of fruit sugars means that your energy spikes and crashes more often than when you eat balanced meals with protein and fats. Some people feel amazing and full of vitality, while others experience mild fatigue. So, does this mean the fruit-only diet is unsustainable? Not so fast. Because something unexpected happens around the 1-week mark. Your body starts adapting in ways you never expected. Day 7-10, a metabolic shift. By the end of the first week, your body begins to adjust to its new fuel source. Your metabolism becomes more efficient at processing sugars, and your insulin sensitivity improves. If you struggled with blood sugar spikes early on, they may start to level out as your body becomes better at handling fructose. Your skin, which has been undergoing a deep cleanse from the inside out, might look brighter and more hydrated. The high water content of fruits keeps your cells hydrated, making your complexion glow. Many people also experience a reduction in inflammation, which can help with acne, eczema, or other skin conditions. At the same time, your gut microbiome is changing. The fiber from fruits is feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even enhance mental clarity. Some people report feeling a sense of mental sharpness and clarity they haven't felt in years. But this is also when some of the downsides of an all-fruit diet start to become apparent. Without enough protein, your body struggles to rebuild muscle tissue. Your hair and nails may feel weaker, as they rely on amino acids from protein to grow strong. Some people also experience increased cravings for savory or fatty foods, as the body signals that it's missing key nutrients. Now, here's the million-dollar question: what happens when you hit the 2-week mark? Is this diet sustainable long-term, or is your body begging for something more? Day 11-14, the good, the bad, and the unexpected. By the second week, the effects of eating only fruit become even more pronounced. The positives? Your digestion is at its peak efficiency, your skin looks healthier, and your energy levels may feel more stable. If you started this diet to lose weight, chances are you've dropped a few pounds, mostly water weight and some fat. The high fiber content in fruits keeps you feeling full, making it hard to overeat. However, this is also the point where nutrient deficiencies start to catch up. Your body needs essential fatty acids for brain function, and without them, you might start feeling mentally foggy or even a little irritable. Some people report that their hair becomes drier, and their nails become brittle due to a lack of essential proteins. Another thing to consider is that too much fructose from fruits can be hard on the liver. While whole fruits are far healthier than processed sugars, excessive amounts of fructose can still strain liver function over time. This is why balance is key. So, what's the final verdict? Is an all-fruit diet the secret to health and longevity, or is it a risky nutritional experiment? The truth lies somewhere in between. Final thoughts: should you try it? Eating only fruit for 2 weeks can have some incredible benefits. Your digestion improves, your skin clears up, and you may even lose weight. It's a natural detox that gives your body a break from processed foods, dairy, and meats. However, it's not a sustainable long-term diet. Your body needs protein, healthy fats, and a variety of nutrients that fruits alone can't provide. If you're considering a short-term fruit cleanse, make sure to listen to your body. If you feel weak, fatigued, or overly hungry, it's a sign that your body is missing essential nutrients. Instead of an all-fruit diet, a balanced approach where fruits are a major part of your meals but not the only food source might be the best way to reap the benefits without the downsides. So, would you ever try an all-fruit diet for 2 weeks? Or have you done it before? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips that can change your life.